TPC Wire and Cable's #1 selling line of portable cord is our Super-Trex Ultra-Gard. This is a very versatile product for many types of customers, including automotive, food and beverage, metals, and general manufacturing. Let's break down the construction of Super-Trex Ultra-Gard to show why it performs so well in so many different harsh applications. We're going to start from the outside in. First is our jacket, a security yellow thermoset elastomer or TSE jacket. This is your first line of defense against impact, abrasion, oils, ozone, and most chemicals. Next, as we tear the cable apart and look at what's on the inside, we see that we have a 100% fabric serve inside the jacket. This provides additional tear resistance to the jacket. Next, we have non-wicking rayon fillers that act like shock absorbers. This is going to be really helpful for impact and getting run over or hit. On the inside, that's our rayon. That's a non-wicking material, and that's very important. If you were to compare a piece of commodity cable that uses a paper or jute filler, you'll see the commodity cable, which is this black cable, uses a paper filler that literally has soaked up or wicked up the kerosene. We see that our conductors are also very bloated. We don't see any bloating or wicking with the TPC product. Finally, we're down to the copper inside the conductor. Unlike the bare copper that you normally see in portable cord, we tin our copper conductors. Tin conductors are easier to solder, they resist corrosion better, and it improves the flex life of the cable. Finally, our stranding is different. Super-Trex Ultra-Gard uses a super fine stranding, literally 2.5 times as many strands as your average commodity cable. This is going to increase flexibility greatly and reduce conductor fatigue and breakage. One of the most impressive performance characteristics of Super-Trex Ultra-Gard is its flame resistance. Watch as I take a piece of Ultra-Gard and burn it in this propane torch. You'll notice that as soon as I remove the torch, the flame immediately went out. That's because our jacket will not support combustion independently. Also, it's extremely hot where I burned it, but I can touch right next to it and it's room temperature. That's because our jacket dissipates the heat. Now, it may appear that I've damaged this jacket greatly. Let's see what happens when I scrape it. All I've really done is char the very outer surface of this cable. You see the yellow color starting to return. There's no blistering or cracking. Let's see how the conductors have survived on the inside. As we expose the conductors, we see that they look absolutely like new. Again, no melting, no blistering, no cracking, no charring. Even inside the jacket, even though it's warm to the touch, it still looks great. You can see the fabric serve, and I really haven't impacted the jacket very deeply. To receive a sample or for more information, please visit tpcwire.com.